everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I did this makeup look, this pinkish nude Valentine inspired makeup look. I just want to claim here that I'm far from a beauty guru or any sort of guru or cikgu, so I just love doing makeup. And yeah, if you like this makeup look, please keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing first is I'm gonna apply this primer on my face and massage it onto your skin and make that ugly face. And second, I'm gonna use this foundation from Rimmel. I'm gonna blend this foundation using the stippling brush I got this brush from csmakeup.my. And next, I'm gonna use this Fit Me concealer in medium 25 to cover that panda eyes and undeniable acne scar. To blend this, I'm using the Real Technique beauty sponge or miracle sponge they call it. And for powder, I'm using this very cheap powder from Silky White as my loose powder, and put it on your face. And okay, it comes into my nose. Alright, for my brows, I'm gonna use this Obuse eyebrow. I bought this long time ago, so yeah, it's a powder eyebrow powder, sorry. And yep, that's my brow. Alright, what's next? Ooh, shadow. Alright, so I'm using the blush here for my transition shade, which is in pink color, and I'm just gonna blend onto my crease and eyelid. And next, I'm gonna use this Naked palette and yep, to darken my outer crease, make it more defined. And that is me trying to blend everything well. And I apply a little bit under the lower lashes to balance everything out, like I try to balance my life. And I'm using that that shimmer shadow on my lid. And now I'm using the brush to dust all of my loose powder. Next, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, my all-time favorite wing liner. And yep, that's my liner. And the other eyes, I just did the same thing. Okay. Alright, so next I'm gonna put that shimmer shadow in the inner corner. And now I'm contouring my face and doing that awkward smile and yet scary smile. So I'm so sorry if you girls are watching this. Yep, sculpting my nose. And this liner is in whitening color, and I'm gonna use it in the waterline. So this is the mascara that I'm using for my upper lash, and I'm gonna use this for my lower lash. Alright, so I'm gonna use the same sculpting palette for the highlighter, And yes, I'm doing the highlighter first before I'm doing the blusher, so that's just my style. And next I'm gonna put on my blush, blush, like you see your crush. Okay, not funny. Alright, so next, lipstick. Alright, so this is the matte lipstick from Silky Girl in retro, I think in retro 01 code. And I'm gonna top that up with the lip paint from Tarte in birthday suit code. And last but not least, I'm gonna set my makeup with the Urban Decay Night All Nighter setting. So I hope this video is helpful and you like this video. So don't forget to put your thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye.